Alright, once you have all of your files done and everything you need done, both for your hand drawings, your PowerPoint template, and all of your Inventor files, you're ready to get everything prepped in order to submit. The first thing you should do, though, is go to your files, and I'm in my IED and Puzzle Cube project folder. You should have at least two things in here. You should have at least your easy solution and your hard solution for your PowerPoint template. And then I have a separate folder for my Inventor files. So I'll go in there, and then for your Inventor files, you should have everything you see here. And that includes 5 Puzzle Cube parts, so you can see my red, purple, orange, green, and blue parts. You'll need your drawings file, so pcube_drawings. You'll need your assembly, which is pcube_assembly. And then you will need both your presentation files, which is your presentation basic and your presentation complex. And then you will finally need your animation file from your presentation file. And the last thing that we talked about in the last video was exporting all of your drawings as a single PDF when you're done, and I'll show you how to do that again here in a second. So if you have everything in place, you're ready to get your files ready to submit. So the first thing you need to do is take your Puzzle Cube sheet with all your initials on the first and second page, and you'll need to get that together. And then you need to get together your hand ISO, shaded and colored, and then all 5 of your hand-drawn parts. And I have green, orange, blue, purple, and red. And you need to put those all in order and I used Cam Scanner, but use whatever scanning application you wish, and scan all of those at once into one single PDF document like I am showing you here on the screen. So I have an 8-page PDF document. Page 1 and page 2 are my Puzzle Cube project sheet with my initials. Page 3 is my hand-drawn ISO with colors front and back. And then 4 through 8 are my individual hand drawings. So that's item number 1 that you need to have done. The second item you need to have done is your PDF document of all your Inventor drawings. So the first page will be your cover page, then your exploded view with parts list and balloons, and then each of your your Inventor generated orthographic drawings with dimensions. That is going to be the second file you need to create. If you didn't create that when you were doing it after you watched the last video, in order to do that, you need to be in Inventor, have your drawings opened up, and notice I have all of my drawings here in my browser in one single document. So my cover page, exploded view, blue part, purple part, orange part, green part, and red part. And then to export as a PDF, you'll go to iPro, Export, PDF. Give it a second to load. Mine's already named correctly because I've already saved it, but don't just click Save here. Go to the Options tab and make sure that all sheets here is selected, not just current sheet. And if you select all sheets and OK and save, it'll save out to here. I'm going to hit Cancel because I already have mine saved. And that PDF document will be your second file that you will save. I'm going to minimize this. And then your third file, if you go into your Puzzle Cube folder, will be this pcube_animation_ first initial last name, and it is a Windows media file or a WMV file. That'll be the third file you'll submit. So the first thing you need is all of your scanned drawings, hand ISO, and then your project sheet with your initials. That's number 1. Number 2 is your PDF of all of your Inventor drawings. And number 3 is that animation file. And I have the animation saved here, my PDF saved here, and then back here I have my hand drawing saved that I scanned. I saved that in my Puzzle Cube project folder as well. So once you have all those together, you're going to go to our Canvas course, to the home page. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and go to 4.2 Project, Puzzle Cube Design. You'll see it's due this particular one is due December 16th, and it's worth 200 points. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And since I already have all my files ready to go, I'm going to go and click Submit Assignment. Choose File. And the first thing I am going to grab is my hand drawings, which is this pcube_handdrawings.ctownsend. And I'm going to click Open, and it'll show that there, and I'm going to submit that assignment. And I have 2 other files to do. I could have added another file here and hit Submit, and I'll show you that here in a second. But if you accidentally just submitted that and you have a couple more you need to do, all you have to do is click Resubmit. I'm going to choose the file, and the second one is going to be my PDF of all my Inventor drawings. Click open, and then I'm going to click add another file, and then I'm going to choose my animation file, which is my WMV file, which should be called pcube_animation_ first initial last name. I'm going to select that and hit open, hit submit assignment, and once that entire thing is loaded, you'll get a notification up here that says it is turned in, what date you turned it in at, and then what files you've turned in. If you turned in one before, it won't display the one you submitted before, but I will be able to see it. And if you wanted to double check and make sure that you have this submitted, if you go to your grades tab or grades option over here on the left and scroll all the way down, you'll see that 4.2 project Puzzle Cube Design has a little piece of paper here, which means that it has been submitted. If you have any doubts or any questions, you can talk to the instructor, and you can go in and check and make sure that you have all the documents you need submitted. If you have any questions at all, check with the instructor, and we'll make sure that everything is taken care of.